Hi everyone, my name is Megan Stackhouse, a meteorologist with the National Weather Service office here in Grand Junction, Colorado. And today we're going to be talking about the May 2019 climate summary for eastern Utah and western Colorado. This picture that you see behind me, this was taken on Independence Pass on May 16th. And while Independence Pass is technically not in our forecast area, it's just next door, and you can see a lot of snow up there. You couldn't even see the restrooms, which is what those buildings are up at the top of the pass. That was pretty much the whole story that we had going into the month of May and through the end of it. Winter did not want to lose hold of its grip on us. We had several storms move into the area that produced some pretty good snow. One such storm, this picture right here, the May 8th through 10th winter storm. Generally 4 to 8 inches of snow fell across the mountains with 5 to 10 inches across the Gore and Elk Mountains. And these two pictures here are from the May 19th through 21st winter storm, which was a bit bigger. We ended up having generally 8 to 15 inches of snow across the San Juan Mountains with 10 to 20 inches across the northern and central Colorado mountains. With this storm, we also had some SNOTEL sites across those regions, estimating 2 feet of snow fell with this storm. So a pretty good bit of snow for the end of May for sure. Looking at high temperatures across the region for the month of May, the highest temperature was at the Canyonlands Airport on May 14th, which was 87 degrees. Grand Junction, we had a high temperature of 85 degrees, also on May 14th. And looking at the coldest high temperature, which for the month, it was at the Aspen Airport, which was 71 degrees, so still pretty mild. And looking at cold temperatures across the region for the month of May, Aspen and Craig both hit 23 degrees for their low temperature, and Canyonlands in Moab was the most mild overnight low with 34 degrees. Looking at precipitation across the region for the month of May, overall it was above normal precipitation across the region, though the Grand Junction and Montrose airports had below normal precipitation. Montrose only got 0.61 inches for the month, which was close to half an inch below normal. Aspen ended up being the winner with 2.27 inches of precipitation for the month, which was almost 3/4 of an inch above normal. Looking at the latest state of the drought, we do have a small sliver of abnormally dry conditions in southeast Utah, but otherwise no signs of the drought in our forecast area. Looking at the latest state of the snowpack, with all this snow, as you can imagine, we are well above normal for this time of year. This is taken on June 1st, and the southern basins in Colorado over 700% above normal, 200% in the northern, and 400 to 600% above normal in the central basins. And pretty similar conditions for northeast Utah, 200% of normal in the northeastern Uinta Basin. And looking at the latest Climate Prediction Center outlook for the month of June, right now guidance isn't really favoring either above or below normal temperatures for the month, but precipitation odds are favoring wetter than normal conditions for eastern Utah and western Colorado. That wraps up our May 2019 climate summary for eastern Utah and western Colorado. As always, thanks for tuning in, and we will see you next month. Bye, guys.